You know what question I hear more than any other? What is ClickFunnels? Here is ClickFunnels. Well, this isn't actually ClickFunnels. This is the screen you get to when you're logging into your ClickFunnels account. If you don't have a ClickFunnels account, guess what? You can go here and sign up for the free demo. If you do have an account, no problem. You just log in and bada bing, bada boom, all of a sudden you're at your ClickFunnels dashboard. Now, up here it will be a photo, not of you, or not of me, but of you, unless you're one of those creepy people that wants to steal my identity, in which case you could probably find this picture online and put it up there. That's all the information right there. Money that I made in the last 30 days, 631 so far today, 118. Over here, you'll see the gross revenue. For the day, it's $33.99. For the week, it appears to be $167.98. It's kind of a slow, I'm not really promoting anything right now, but this is exactly where you go when you log in. And look, there's other cool stuff here too. You can start a new funnel. You can get a Funnel Hacker t-shirt for free, which is amazing. You can join the One Funnel Away Challenge, Funnel Builder Secrets. These are all tools and exceptional resources to help you build your online business and to build really profitable and exciting funnels that people are going to love. Now, back to the question, what is a funnel? That's a great question. And I'm going to show you by going to a website. Now, a website is not a funnel. Just so you know, a website is not a funnel. A funnel is also not a website. The difference is that when you go to, what am I looking for here? Here we go. When you go to a website, this is one of my favorite websites, and I'm not knocking on this website. I'm just showing you a difference. This is a website where you go for information. Look, here's all these little things you can click on the top. These are all a bunch of things you can click. And then here's an article, 3 easy ways to make homemade waterproof matches. That's handy if you're ever, in a flood or whatever. Over here, look, there's some ads over here. You can click and get a free gear offer. Down here, there's follow us. There's 1,000 things you can click here. You can click these ads. You can click these links. You can follow them on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, on Tumblr, Twitter, or YouTube. There's so many places you can go get a free t-shirt. Over here, oh, I need this. How to trim a mustache in 10 easy steps. Man, that's what I need. That's what the ultimate guide to using knives for self-defense. There's 1,000 places to go. Your mind is pulled in every direction. This is more a place to kind of browse and learn. It's not a place to send somebody if you want them to buy something. And that's what a funnel is. A funnel is an online place where you send somebody and they can only do one thing. And that is buy your product or hire you for whatever it is that you do. Let me show you another example. This is a funnel. This is a funnel that I built using ClickFunnels all by myself. Took me like an hour. I built this for this is my wife's business, the Pop Girl Birthday Box. She sells these birthday boxes and they're filled with all this great stuff and they're for tween girls. And if you know, let's say your daughter is going to a birthday party and she needs a present for her friend. Well, you order her a Pop Girl Birthday Box. We send it out to you. You take that box to the party and bam, your daughter is the hit of the party because you didn't just get her one gift, she got her a box full of amazing things. That's the Pop Girl Birthday Box. It's only $29. Now you'll notice there's only one thing on this page that you can click, and it's this big button that says order now. There's no social media links. There's no articles. There's no advertising. There's no nothing. It's very simple. This is a funnel. It's designed to get somebody in the top and then funnel them through an entire sales process. And it works like this. Click the order now button. Ta-da! There's the order form. Again, there's only one way you can get out of here. You've got to put in all your information right here. Once you put in your information, you click the complete my order button and you're taken to the next page. Now, the next page you might think is what? A thank you page? Maybe some kind of, receipt? No. The next page is something called a one-time offer. That's the beauty of funnels. That's what makes them amazing and so much different from websites. On a website, if you click an article, you go to an article. On a funnel, when you click a link and you buy something, it's not done yet. It's not over. The shopping experience has just begun. You send them to another page that we like to call a one-time offer. What's my wife's one-time offer? It is 3 more Pop Girl birthday boxes. How great is that? Now, I know what you're thinking. Why in the heck would I want to buy 3 more of the same thing that I just bought? Great question. But think about it this way. When your daughter goes to a birthday party, does she only go to one birthday party a year? Does she have other friends that are celebrating birthdays? Little girls tend to run in big gaggles. They have lots of friends and things like that. And what happens is if you go to one girl's birthday party and bring her a Pop Girl birthday box and all the other girls see it, you know what they're going to ask for from your daughter for their birthdays? Pop Girl birthday boxes. So we offer 3 more instantly at a discount. We ship them to you, and guess what happens next? Next time you have a birthday, you don't have to go shopping. You don't have to go online. You just go to the closet. You've got 3 more Pop Girl birthday boxes there. You grab one, you go to the party, and your daughter is the best friend a girl could ask for. It's a really fantastic thing. Plus, it's so easy to do because we've already We've already accepted the credit card information. The credit card information of the person who bought the first Pop Girl birthday box is locked in here. So if we want to charge them for 3 more, we don't have to ask them for their information all over again. We just simply click the button and they are charged and the boxes are on their way. And it's so easy and so fun and so profitable and it makes life so much easier for your customer. Now, that's not all, because after they take advantage of this one-time offer, guess what? There is another one-click offer, and it is the Pop Girl deal of the day. Check this out. After you buy your first box, after you buy your 3 boxes, you get the Pop Girl deal of the day, which today happens to be an adorable pink donut pop socket for only $4.99. That is a bargain. Of course you're going to click it, and you don't even have to put in your credit card information anymore. And it's only $4.99, and it's so cute and so fashionable and so functionable. Functionable? Is that functioning? Whatever. You want it is basically the whole point. And it's so easy to get. So you click that, and then you go to the receipt. Then you go to the thank you page. Then we put all this stuff in a box. You sit at home, and you wait for this big carton to come from Pop Girl Box with 4 Pop Girl boxes and a pink donut pop socket. Best day ever. This is a great way to over-deliver to your clients and your customers, and also dramatically increase your customer value, your cart value, and build and grow your business. That's what a funnel is all about.
Okay, now here we are inside of ClickFunnels, and as you can see, there's a lot of options, a lot of things you can do. But let's start with the actual funnels themselves, which are actually located right up here where it says ClickFunnels. And we can select our funnels here, but you also see there's a lot of other options, such as you can have contacts stored within ClickFunnels, so you don't need to use a separate program. You can see the revenue. You can track revenue and actually charge people money for products or services within ClickFunnels. You can actually buy other people's funnels, or you can sell funnels in the funnel marketplace. So there's a lot of stuff there, but for now, we're going to concern ourselves with the actual funnels themselves. So as you see, over the course of the years, I've built lots of funnels. I've built lots of websites through ClickFunnels, and they make it really easy to copy and paste and build new funnels. It's so easy to build websites. There's no reason not to be doing it. So here we are in one of the funnels that I built. Now, another really neat thing about ClickFunnels is the statistics. So you'll see on every page, they have your steps, which are your funnel steps, and then you have a tab which says statistics. Allow you to figure out what's working, what's not working, how many people are visiting your sites, etc. Or even how much money you're collecting. Now, I don't use ClickFunnels to actually collect money. I'm working with ClickBank and Digistore. But you'll see right here, I can see at a glance how many people visited my website in the last week. And for this particular page, we can see 5,000 people visited this website and 14,000 people visited this website. So very easily, I can actually get an idea of how many people are visiting my websites. And if you are using ClickFunnels integrations with different payment providers, you can see how many people are opting into your website. You can also see how much money you're making from the people that are coming to your website. So you can see a lot more information if you become a power user of ClickFunnels, and you can see it all in ClickFunnels. You can run your entire business through ClickFunnels, and I know a lot of people who do. Now, I can't leave this out, which is email lists. Now, you can set up email lists through ClickFunnels, through what are called follow-up funnels, and you can set up broadcasts and autoresponders. You can do everything you want through ClickFunnels. Anything that's made to market a business, essentially. If you're running a business where you're selling products or you're selling your service or generating leads, whatever you're doing, you can do it all through ClickFunnels. And they're actually built, they're specifically built to support those types of businesses which are trying to make money from their website, or companies that are trying to get people contacting them from their website. This will take your business to the whole other level, and working with a company that specializes in that is very profitable. And you'll see right here, they have just a ton of content. They have their 30-day challenge, which is pretty exciting. They have 30 videos, which will help you over the course of 30 days get started in business. Get your first dollars coming in. They have everything you need to get started. And I've been through the challenge before, and it's awesome, and it really helps you even as a business owner and somebody who's making a lot of money. The challenge is a really good thing to help you just really start your business and get your websites up and really use that form of leverage, which we call the internet, to just start making money.
You build a funnel when you want to collect emails from people, and we call that a lead magnet. But this is to give you an example. I'm going to go ahead and preview this one. This is where you can go in and you can put your logo in. Everything's just a click. The big book of cool, you would put your product that you're promoting or your free thing, that really cool free thing. And right here, they give you their email address, and then you click and they will it'll trigger where you can send them an email with that free thing in it. But that's what it is in a nutshell. Now, how do you learn how to do this? We have what we call the Funnel Hacker Cookbook. And in that cookbook, they will teach you how to build a funnel. First, you have to make sections. And in those sections, you make rows. See how this is one row across, or you can have 2 rows and 1 row. Within those rows, you can do some cool things. Like you could have a header, you could put images, you can put the buttons where you collect emails and names, and then you can have that button where it sets that action. It says, okay, I want your name, your email, and then that next button will be the action button. These are all the different things you can do with the elements. So it's kind of like Legos in a weird way. You have different colors. There's the green, and then the blue is the rows, and then the orange is the elements. At first it seems confusing, but what helped me was when I had that actual book. It's called a cookbook, and Russell Brunson sends it out for free because he really wants you to understand what ClickFunnels is before you even think about signing up and using the platform. So get the free cookbook. I've got a link below. It'll help you to understand.